Alrighty, guys. Y'all see my current situation? That's right, guys. Ta-da! Harbor Freights. All right, y'all remember this cap? This cap goes to a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica, okay, with a hybrid. All right, so the HB battery reservoir, I need to find some type of adapter that will let me pressurize this system so I can find a leak. So where do I end up at? Because the tool I really need off the Snap-on truck is on back order. Nobody have it. And the one on Matco, it'll be a week before it get here. Hey, what we got here? I already got one of these. These are nice, guys. Dirt cheap and everything. So, look, they down to $600. Boy, y'all sleeping on Harbor Freights? Y'all better cut it out. All right, where's the coolant system? Test. I know some of y'all think these are junk tools. Guys, how professional do your damn compression gauge have to be? I mean, goodness gracious, some of y'all are just way too hardcore with it. I get it. If you can afford the pro stuff, get it. Okay, get this. I can afford the pro stuff, but I'm just not. It has to make sense to me. This damn thing, $30. Okay, fuel pressure gauge. I mean, how professional do a gauge have to be for you to screw it into the rail of a fuel rail and check the number on it? How? Okay, all right. I'm starting to sound like a rookie now, so we're not gonna do this. What I coming here for? Oh yeah, look, this right here. That test head gaskets and stuff. Yeah, I got one of these. Like, why does this have to be? Oh my God, y'all be killing me, man. Yeah, man, them for show days when you bought tools for show, I got the top of the line. I mean, that's fine, but yeah, I'm past that stage in my career. Okay, I already got one of these. Where's the cooling system? Oh hell no, hell no. Is this what we talking about? This look like this. See, I gotta find something to fit this, and then they give me the adapter, universal radiator adapter set. Y'all know what universal mean, right? Okay, guys, we got to pry into this. I'm gonna have to sneak and open this. Let me make sure I know. See, here go the full deal right here. I guarantee you what I need is in there. Holy crap. I think I'm gonna get that. I already got a pressure tester. And everybody using the vacuum, you know, I get asked that question all the time. Why don't you have the vacuum one? I do, but when I'm making videos, I always pull out my pump style. I think since I already got a pump style pressure tester, I don't need that. So look at this. They already got the heads, guys. Holy crap. I may have to switch gears here. Cause look, this thing is $129. The adapter that I need from Snap-on is $100, and this look like it right here. No, right here. Yeah, that damn thing by itself is $100. Oh my goodness! All right, I got to make a decision. All right, and I can't do it while filming. Y'all know me. I'm gonna whip out the good old online mechanic tip business card. Yeah. I keep losing my E8. Y'all know what E8 for, right? That's for the damn I do so many coolers, I don't misplace my damn E8. Y'all know you can use a 1/4-inch socket as well. Yeah, don't panic if you lose your E8. Yeah, just improvise, fellas. Y'all know the drill. Improvise. So Pittsburgh, you know, it's a Harbor Freight tool. Now the professional version of Pittsburgh, get this, Icon. This is where we start getting into, I got this right here. The metric. Yeah, I remember when I bought it. Paid $114 for it. Best buy I ever made. If it break, bring your ass back up here. And it's made of almost damn near, I ain't gonna say same quality, but you okay, because some of y'all get offended when I look at this. Where's the 5-piece They had to stop putting those in here because people was abusing those. You know, the long ass ratchet wrench and it's lifetime warranty, and people were bringing it back, getting a whole set because they don't offer just one. Yeah, I don't need no damn wrenches. All right. Instant saving. See, these are Pittsburgh. They're lifetime warranty. So, guys, do not buy a tool that doesn't offer a lifetime warranty. Simply because every other tool out there offer a lifetime warranty. Yes, yeah, did y'all catch that? Yeah, everybody else has a lifetime warranty. So why shouldn't a tool that you need offer a lifetime warranty? In other words, it should. Torque wrench. You know what I should have? But I didn't got so. I don't have a 3/8. I see guys. You should torque. Let me say this. It's important. I would love this small one right here. It's $109. You should be torquing everything down to specs. All right. Don't for 1 second think I'm reckless. It's just that I'm pretty good at feeling by now. I can feel 120 inch-pounds. Yeah. Okay, JT, you going too far with the jokes. All right. Well, I already know what I'm gonna get, guys. So I'm going for I have to do something maybe illegal. All right. I have to open this up. There's nobody around right now, and I don't want y'all to see me. Y'all might. Yeah, I have to see. I just want to verify that this size is in there. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, guys, you can buy cans of 1, 2, 3, 4 YF now. How much is it? $49 for a freaking pound. Holy crap. Now, where's the adapter that you squeeze? Do they sell that? Because this is worthless without it. Damn, free on $50. Holy crap. All right, guys, y'all hold tight. I don't really want y'all to see this. I'll be right back. All right, guys, a quick Google search revealed that neither one of these are this size. Okay, and that's what I need. All right, I'm dealing with a 44 millimeter all the way down to a 2. Okay, if you read this, it say 52 outside neck to a 2.5 thread pitch. Yeah, neither one. So neither one of these is this size. So I don't really want to bust this open and, you know, not purchase it. All right, that's reckless. Yeah, don't do that. However, it would have been nice to make sure, wouldn't it? Yeah. So I'm gonna pass. I ain't gonna disrupt this system. All right, let's go around here. In fact, I went a step further. The suspense was killing me. So yeah, look. See how big that is? See how big that is? So nowhere near this size. There's only 2 of them in there to do that. All right, let me professionally pack this back up. Now they got a money back policy, but I don't want to go through all that of buying it just to find out that I don't need it. So, all right, let me pack this back up. Well, so much for that idea. Now, where do we go from here? I'm screwed. Okay, I either gotta. Now y'all know how high voltage battery is. You shouldn't be pressure. You shouldn't be pressuring the battery. So what I'm gonna do is pressurize the outside system, and if there's no leak past the battery, then yeah, the whole leakage is coming internal to the battery. But you don't want to pressurize the system with the battery connected. So yeah, just turned out to be a waste of time. Here go this is this the vacuum gauge everybody fiending over? JT, why you don't have a vacuum? Yeah. How much is Harbor Freight's version? $84. That's it right there. Yeah, people saying they don't have to open no bleeder screws or nothing. Just suck it on. Everybody different, guys. I'm old school. All right, I can't do this. I can't do this with y'all. So what I'm gonna do is wrap it up. What else Harbor Freight got? Look at all this nice looking icon gear over here. Yes. What was we doing before Harbor Freight showed up? Now I just got my tool that go from a 19. You know when the wheel lugs swell up, you go from a 19 to a 19.5 because a 20 is too big. Yeah. But I think they got a whole kit over here. I go. Yeah. Is this it? No, this. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. All right, I can't do this with y'all. I'll be here all day. I never come in here and get what I came in here to get. I always get to looking around. But I'm gonna do it like this. Yeah, I'm gonna shut this down after I find those sockets I was just talking about. You know, they're socket, but they two side sockets. Oh, right here. Damn, I paid this much for one. 3/4, 13, 16. Yeah, okay, so then it's not 19 and a half. Unless this is one. Yeah, they ain't doing no half stuff. The half is needed for swole up nuts. All right, guys, that's all I have, man. I'm gonna get out of here. I appreciate y'all tuning in to your boy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait a minute. There goes some more professional version. Look at that. Icon even got professional toolbox. If you guys out there breaking the bank with Snap-on toolbox and you have stuff like, look at this. Stuff like this at your disposal. You look like a professional with this. Okay. Look at. Okay, your budget a little smaller than that. Here you go, right here. This is all you need, guys. You're a mechanic, this is all you need. It's not as serious as it used to be. It was all about show back in the day. Now it ain't about show. It's about how much money you're going to be generating. All right? That's all that matters to me, at least. I got to go. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.